Is your old vacuum choking on pet hair, and does it smell like old socks and regret? Mine too. That's why I picked up this new Shark vacuum. This is the Shark DuoClean PowerFins Hair Pro Lift Away with self-cleaning brush roll and odor neutralizer technology upright vacuum. Try saying that 5 times fast. Hey guys, this is Oz from the OzzyAwesome channel. So today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about the Shark vacuum that I just got. Now I'm a bit biased because I really like Shark/Ninja products. I have a whole bunch at home. My last Shark vacuum that lasted me almost 4 years. So I decided to get another Shark vacuum, and if you want to know more about the Shark brands, stuff available for vacuums and other stuff by Shark and Ninja, information for the Amazon link is below. So first of all, let's unbox this thing. So as you can see, it was pretty easy and quick to put together. And it looks like Shark thought about all the things that people complain about, the bad smells, as well as the hair getting stuck in those rolls. So I'm gonna get my assistant, Mayu, to kind of give us a demonstration about how this vacuum works, and we're gonna try it out around the house. And before Mayu starts the presentation about how this vacuum works, this is a message from my sponsor. Hi, this video is sponsored by me, Oz, and the way I'm sponsoring it is by promoting my products that I have for you guys. For those of you who are interested in social media or finding money online, making an online business, that kind of stuff, I have a website called ghostyourjob.com. On that website, there's a lot of blog articles about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, YouTube, and Instagram. There's also free digital products I provide, like a free Instagram growth guide and a Canva tutorial as well. And now back to the video. Thanks Oz for those wonderful promotions. I'm definitely gonna check out ghostyourjob.com. Anyway, let's get to the presentation with Mayu.
カーペットモードはレベル2なのでカーペットは2にしますね。匂いがいいです。見てください。埃が溜まってきてます。吸いました。フロアモードやります。フロアモードはナンバー1です。ナンバー1フロアモード。
Swivel is pretty good. Swivel もできるね。360みたいな。ね。pretty good. あ、できる。
次はソファーをやります。
Okay.
で、ロックを解除します。わーお。で、このようにして装着します。そしてから、普通にスイッチをオンすると。わー、吸えてますね。
次
まあだいたい綺麗になりましたけれども、
This is like the before, so dirty, and then here it's clean.
今回こちら
But
の
she's gonna use this as well.
作ってい
Okay.
ます。掃除が終わりました。今から取り外し作業に入りたいと思います。簡単ですね。ここですね。このように心のボタンをプッシュしましたら開きます。
Okay.
で、あとはこの後ろのボタン。簡単に出ましたね。こちらをお好きなところにパチッとつけたら、
I guess the main issues are the dog hair all over the couch, crumbs all over the floor, like when we're cooking and in the kitchen area. And also, since we live in the basement, there's a lot of like dust that comes in a little bit at the top near the ceiling. Sometimes there's webs there, as well as dust on the baseboards area. And while doing the vacuum, we did notice it has a nice fresh smell. It's pretty good. It's kind of like a Febreze. So some of the good things about this vacuum, it was actually pretty good in terms of suction. It was really strong. Both on carpet and hard floors, because there's two settings, it was really good for both. And despite all the pet hair and Mayu's hair, because I don't have any, it didn't get stuck in the roll. It was pretty clear even after we did the vacuuming. And thanks to that Odor cartridge, there was no smell. You can change the setting. We had it on the lowest setting, but we could still smell the kind of freshness smell. So it was really good. And I noticed that it also has a HEPA filter, which is good if you have allergies or a lot of dust. And since we live in the basement, that's kind of an issue we have. I guess one of the only cons I could think of is, despite the cord being really long, the actual hose itself, that where you can remove it and try to reach up, it's a little bit short. It would have been nice if it was a little bit longer. And I guess one of the biggest cons that most people will probably say is the cord thing. So it was, I guess it's a good and bad thing. Yes, I would prefer a cordless just because it was easier to maneuver without having to move the cord this way and that. But the good thing is, a lot of the time what we would do is we would vacuum and then we'd forget to charge it, and so the battery would run out. So in this case, if you have a cord, you don't have to worry about having loss of battery. A lot of people prefer Dyson or some other Bissell and those other kind of companies. I think this one, for price wise, is a good competitor, and rather than paying $800 for a Dyson, I'd rather pay $300 for a Shark. If you are interested in this model or any of the other models that Shark has to offer, once again, the Shark store link for Amazon is in the information section below, even though they're not sponsoring this video. It is an affiliate link though, which means if you buy something from there, I get a small commission with no extra cost to you, which helps me buy treats for this girl. Yeah? So that's the review of the Shark vacuum. If you enjoyed it, or if you have any questions about it, please leave it in the comment section below. Also, in my next video, I'm going to be making a series that you won't want to miss about YouTube. So if you haven't already, definitely subscribe so you don't miss those. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace.
It shifts its game.